Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Once upon a time, in a vibrant forest filled with towering trees, colorful flowers, and sparkling streams, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. The forest was their home, and every creature cherished its beauty and serenity. The most magical part of their world, however, was the rainbow, an enchanting arc of colors that appeared every time the sun and rain met in harmony. The rainbow wasn't just a beautiful sight. It had a special power. It could heal plants, restore rivers, and bring peace to the entire forest. The animals believed the rainbow's magic kept their home in perfect balance. One day, dark clouds rolled into the sky, blocking the sun's rays. The rain fell heavier than ever before, causing the rivers to overflow and the winds to howl. The forest trembled in the storm's fury. The animals gathered under a large oak tree, worried about the fate of their beloved home. "We need the rainbow's magic to save our forest," cried Luna, the wise owl. "But with the sky so dark, the rainbow can't appear." The animals looked at each other, unsure of what to do. Suddenly, Bella, a brave and curious squirrel, stepped forward. "We can't just wait for the storm to pass. We must find a way to bring back the rainbow," she exclaimed. Everyone agreed, and a plan was made. Bella would lead a team to find the source of the storm and see if they could bring back the light. Along with Bella, Max the clever fox, and Tilly the gentle deer joined the mission. With determination in their hearts, they set off into the stormy forest. As they traveled deeper into the woods, they encountered uprooted trees and flooded paths. Despite the challenges, the trio pressed on, their hopes stronger than ever. After a long journey, they reached the heart of the forest where they found the storm spirit, a towering figure made of swirling clouds and rain. "Why have you brought such destruction to our forest?" Bella asked bravely. The storm spirit's voice boomed. "I am not here to harm. I am here because I have lost my own light. Without it, I cannot calm the storm." Max, always quick to think, spoke up. "Perhaps we can help you find your light. Together, we can restore balance to the forest." The storm spirit was moved by their kindness. "If you truly wish to help, you must seek the crystal of light, hidden deep within the cave of echoes. It holds the power to calm my storm." Without hesitation, Bella, Max, and Tilly ventured to the cave of echoes. Inside, they faced their fears, from dark shadows to eerie sounds. At the heart of the cave, they found the crystal of light, glowing with a warm, golden hue. With the crystal in hand, they returned to the storm spirit, who gratefully absorbed its light. The clouds began to part, and the sun's rays shone through. As the rain softened, a magnificent rainbow appeared, casting its magical colors across the sky. The forest slowly returned to life. The rivers calmed, the winds stilled, and the plants flourished once more. The animals cheered, knowing their home was safe again. From that day on, the rainbow continued to appear, a reminder of the brave friends who had worked together to save their forest. The storm spirit became a guardian of the woods, ensuring balance and peace for all. Moral: courage, teamwork, and kindness can overcome even the mightiest of storms, bringing light and hope to the darkest of times.